Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your T-Mobile router is blinking continuously, it usually means the device is trying to connect, reconnect, or signal that something isn't working properly with your network. The blinking light can represent different states depending on the color and pattern, but in most cases, it points to connection, instability, signal issues, or a temporary system glitch. This can lead to slow internet speeds or no connection at all, which can be frustrating when you rely on it daily. Instead of guessing what the light means, the best approach is to go through a few simple checks that help restore a stable connection. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the blinking issue and get your T-Mobile router working smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Check that the router is properly connected to power and turned on. Step 2. Restart the router by unplugging it and plugging it back in after a minute. Step 3. Move the router to a location with better signal reception. Step 4. Ensure the SIM card or network connection is properly inserted and active. Step 5. Wait a few minutes after restart for the router to reconnect fully. Step 6. Contact T-Mobile support if the blinking continues without connection.